Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have our 2016 Jaguar XE. And on this Jaguar XE we're going to go over how you would be able to unlock your car, get in it, to be able to start it if your key fob battery is dead. So your key fob battery is dead. If you try to hit the unlock button and the doors won't unlock, but you know it's just this key fob battery dead, then you have a way to get into your car. So what you need to do is this silver piece on the Jaguar remote. You got to just shift it backward, and then you'll be able to find this solid key. It has a little T-handle here for you, but we also need to pop this cover off. So right down here, it shows the key symbol. But right down here in the bottom, there's a little indent where you can put the key in to be able to pop this cover off. And then you can pop this cover off, insert the key, turn it to the unlock, and that unlocks the car. Now, get our key back, but now we still want to be able to start the vehicle, and if your key fob battery is dead, it won't recognize the key inside the car, so there's a location that you need to put it in for it to recognize it. So on the Jaguar XE, to be able to start your car when your key fob battery is dead, you've been able to unlock the door, you've been able to get into the vehicle. Now that you're in the vehicle, you'll see on the steering column here there are 3 little hash marks, and what you need to do is you'll have to hold the key fob up against those hash marks, and then you will be able to press the brake in and hit your start function and start your car. And then it'll run, and you can just put that on your center console, drive your car, get to your location, and then get a new key fob battery and replace that. And until you get a new key fob battery, you will always need to put it on the little 3 hash marks to start it. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.